Okay, now we all know how awesome the following funnel is. Let's look at the best way to put accounts through this funnel with 5.2. How to follow. The first and most laborious way that you can actually follow accounts is to go through manually and click follow. It's quite simple, but it takes a long time, a lot of work, and I highly do not recommend this way. However, if you're just starting out, this is a very viable option. The second way to do this is to use Manage Flitter and Auto Clicker software combo. This is amazing. This will take your 2 hours of manually following accounts down to just 3 minutes every day and keep track of exactly who you follow, who you should be following, and automatically load these results for you. I'm going to show you exactly how I use these two softwares in combination with each other in order to get over 200 targeted, genuine, relevant followers in just 3 minutes a day. Let's get into it. This is awesome stuff.
Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to follow people the manual way. Now this way is a lot more harder, it's a lot more laborious, but if you're not quite ready for the software combo that I'll show you next, this is a great way to start. So first of all, you want to make sure your followers are targeted. So one of the people I like to follow is Tim Ferriss. He's a very large account. He's also an entrepreneur, and all of his followers are relevant for me. So what do? I come into Tim Ferriss's account. I just typed his name in the search bar. I then click his followers, and it will show me a list of Tim Ferriss's latest followers. Again, it's really easy to follow someone. You just have to click that follow button. So what you could do is you could come in and follow his last 1,000 followers by just simply scrolling down like this. So this is one way to do it. I found early on, if you zoom out on the page, so on a Mac it's going to be Command and the minus key, you can actually see more follow buttons at once. It does do weird things to the background. Just ignore that. You can scroll down to where the follows start and simply go down the list. You can get them done a lot quicker if you're zoomed out. But as you see, it is still going to take a long time to follow all of these people, especially if you want to follow 1,000 a day. Okay, so this is exciting. This is where I'm going to show you the Manage Flitter and Murga Fast Clicker software combo, where you can literally process thousands of follows in just 2 or 3 minutes. This is going to save you so much time, so much money in the long run. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. So I'm at manageflitter.com. I'll send you the link if that's possible. If not, just type in manageflitter.com. Connect your account. So my account is already connected, as you can see. And what I want to do to be able to follow Tim Ferriss's followers, like we just were, is come down here and click follow. Copy followers. As you can see in here, the latest results that I have been following are already preloaded for me, and it will remember these users. So I want to do Tim Ferriss. I want to do 1,000 because I can literally not follow more than 1,000 people. And here it is loaded for me. As you can see, the early ones are already following because I just went through and manually followed them. And you can see where it starts to, where you can see where the accounts now I don't follow are. So I've scrolled down to there. Up the top are the pages. So there's 10 pages of 100 people each. And in total, it's showing me the last 1,000 people who recently followed Tim Ferriss. So what I do now is I open my Fast Clicker, which is this software here. So you can get a free trial of this for I think a month. And then I just paid $5 for the license. As you can see, I have a short key here, which will start my clicking. And they click once every 50 milliseconds, which I believe is half a second. I'm not too sure. It clicks super fast. It's a lot quicker than half a second. I'm not sure why that says 50, but I'm just going to show you. So I come over here now to the follow button and simply click my short key, and as you can see, oops. As you can see on the right hand side, my follow count is going up. So these pending follows are a little bit annoying. They're people whose account are on private, and when you follow, it just sends a pending request, but it slows down our process here. Okay, so I'm going to come over to the third page and start my auto clicker again. As you can see, the auto click count on that fast clicker software is counting out very quickly, a little bit more quick than the actual follows, because some of them it's clicking too quick to actually follow, but that's fine. You can also see the follows today are going up by 50 at a time. I normally process my 1,000 follows a day in less than 2 to 3 minutes. Super easy and super quick. So my fast click is stopped because it reached my limit. So I'm just going to restart that until I hit my 1,000 follows for the day. So 1,020, it's too many. It's actually just not going to process those last 20. But as you can see, that took less than 60 seconds. So what I do now is I have now put 1,000, technically 1,000 people through my following